How to upload a photo on post on Instagram from your PC or laptop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your PC and now make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on the create option from the left side toolbar and then select the post option you see there. Now, tap on the select from computer option and then go ahead and choose the photo that you are looking forward to make a post. Now tap on the open option once decided and you will then be required to crop the picture if necessary. So go ahead and crop the picture if necessary and tap on next and then go ahead and add in filters or make any type of adjustments as per your preference. Once done, tap on next and now go ahead and add in the caption and add location and collaborators if necessary. Also add and tag people if you want and then tap on the share option, and with this, as you can see, the post has been made. So this is how you can upload a photo on Instagram from PC or a laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.